Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about interior design or just looking to spruce up your space, you're in for a treat. Today, we're exploring the best interior design apps for 2025. These tools are game changers, making it easier than ever to visualize, plan, and execute your dream home with just a few taps on your phone. Whether you're a pro designer or a DIY enthusiast, these apps will save you time and inspire your creativity. First on our list is Houzz. It's like having a world of design inspiration at your fingertips. With millions of high-quality photos, product recommendations, and even connections to local professionals, Houzz helps you discover trends and shop directly from the app. The best part? It's free to use, though some premium features like advanced search tools cost a bit extra. If you're brainstorming ideas, this is your go-to. Next up is RoomStyler, perfect for hands-on designers. This app lets you create 3D room models effortlessly. Drag and drop furniture, experiment with colors, and see realistic renderings of your space. It's intuitive for beginners and powerful enough for complex projects, making it ideal for planning renovations without the mess. Don't overlook Canva for interior design. While it's known for graphics, its updated 2025 features include customizable mood boards and templates specifically for home decor. You can collage ideas, add text, and share designs seamlessly, great for collaborating or pitching concepts. Then there's IKEA Place, which uses augmented reality to let you preview furniture in your actual room. Simply scan your space with your phone and watch as items appear life-size. It's a must-have for anyone shopping for new pieces, ensuring they fit perfectly before you buy. Finally, for cutting-edge tech, check out the new AI Design Assistant app. Launched in 2025, it uses artificial intelligence to analyze your style preferences and generate personalized design suggestions, complete with floor plans and virtual walkthroughs. It's like having a personal designer in your pocket. In conclusion, these apps make interior design accessible, fun, and affordable. Whether you're redesigning a room or starting from scratch, give them a try and see the difference. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your favorite app in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.